Maniac, I swear my mind playing tricks. In my element, my vibe too legit. And they cannot slow me down, that's a glitch. Gold on me, check me out, glitch, glitch. They need to quit. Get out of the line, passing my crown, I need to quit. I've been the beast, but I'm a dog. I feel like
And this is the results, guys. OMG.
catch her like Odell. You should've known well. Got her like, oh.
This workout, 10 out of 10. We talked about this already. I'm like 2 week abs. Okay, yeah, it's for the birds. I didn't put different people on because I'm like, hold on, like them 10 minutes. Boy, talk about Ayana, fix your life. Chloe, fix your life. Huh. Now my glasses is foggy. When I tell y'all, I love it. Not gonna lie, I was so tempted to stop so many times when I, like, period. I told y'all, I have a consistency problem, right? And so, on day 7, I said, look, it's been a week. We cool on it. But I said, you know, there's 1 more week, 7 more days, 24 more hours times 7, 366. No, I'm playing. No, but really, it really, like, hello, what? Oh, new core, who this? Get at me, like, yeah, I said, like, and the thing is, I don't diet because if I work out, I said I might as well treat myself. Hello. So, I don't know, man. Like, I'm really speechless. Like, I have oh my gosh. Victory. I will continue to do this workout, but I might not do it every day because I am tired. It's only 10 minutes, but I'm telling you, me having to get on, like, let me just do this. It's like the same routine. It's like, okay. But these workouts work you out. Straight up, now tell me, do you really want to love me forever? Yeah, work out, J. Cole. That Kanye West song. Stop playing with them people, man. It's not just a female workout, boo-boo. We can do it too. It's rated E for everyone, okay? Your mama and your son. Y'all, this is funny, okay? But no, really, I just wanted to come back and tell y'all how shocked I am because she wasn't ready. 10 minutes will transition your life, okay? Need I say more? Okay, that's all it is. You better do it, and you better do it now because the 2 weeks, nothing, okay? It's something, but you're gonna be like, dang, man, it was only 2 weeks. Whoop-de-woo. It is the real deal. I'm tired of playing with y'all. I'm not gonna say it again. I'm telling y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. Do it and do it well, okay? Like, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, yo. What? Tough. But yeah, that's my review. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I don't know what to say. Okay, no, let me stop. I'm really excited right now. I would say the hardest 3 in the workout for me. Told y'all, planks and me really don't get along. But the up and down planks, I can control that more than I control just holding a plank. So the plank holds in the middle of that workout really get you. When I tell you, if you're doing all the workouts and when you get to them hundreds, that little thing right there, today was a day I barely was able to do everything without stopping, like barely. I really pushed myself. I can't breathe still. It's been 5 minutes, okay? I can't catch my breath. It's a lot of saliva. But I would probably say the hundreds is probably the hardest because it's like dead in the middle, kinda, of everything. And it's like, man, I'm feeling the burn. And then you go to, like, when you go from crossbody mountain climbers to Spider-Man planes back to crossbody mountain climbers, I'd be like, man, bro. But they all pretty much are not too bad. And then when you get towards the bottom, the straight leg crunch pose, it's like the hundreds again, but a different spot. Like, this workout literally hit from your top to your bottom, from your back to the bottom, okay? Like, it's literally a win-win. That's a win-win. It's a lot of songs going through my head right now. But no, real talk, street talk. No, for real. It was so good, y'all. And I think that y'all should do it too. If you want to, I ain't telling you what to do, okay? But I'm just saying, 2 weeks abs. Oh, I gotta show you, we gotta cross out the last day. Nobody told me the last time when I did this, I only put 12 days. Chloe Ting's ab workout. Yeah, we did it! I'm so excited! And like always, okay, we're gonna wrap it up because I'm just gonna keep talking because it's so, like, I'm so excited right now. I set a goal and I accomplished it, y'all. So to all those people out there who didn't think you can do it, believe me when I tell you, you can too. All right? And I'm sending y'all positive vibes.